Hey there, crypto newcomers! Welcome back to our channel. If you've been dipping your toes into the cryptocurrency waters, you've probably heard the term altcoins floating around. Today, we're here to break down altcoins and give you a clear understanding of what they are, why they exist, and what you should know about them. Let's dive right into this altcoin adventure. Before we dive into this crypto adventure, remember, we're not financial wizards, just enthusiastic guides on this crypto education journey. Think of our advice as a compass, not a treasure map. Your financial future is in your hands. We're just here to shine a light. Consult real experts for major money moves. All right, let's start from the beginning. You already know about Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency. But altcoins are like its cousins. They're alternative cryptocurrencies that came after Bitcoin. Alt stands for alternative, and coins mean digital money. So altcoins are basically any cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin. So why do we have altcoins when we already have Bitcoin? Well, it's like having choices on a menu. Just as there are different flavors of ice cream, altcoins offer different features and technologies compared to Bitcoin. Some altcoins try to improve on Bitcoin's limitations, while others have unique uses like privacy, faster transactions, or even supporting specific industries. Altcoins come in all shapes and sizes. Some mimic Bitcoin's structure with a few tweaks, like Litecoin. Others have their own platforms for building applications, like Ethereum. There are altcoins focused on privacy, such as Monero, and even altcoins that joke around, like Dogecoin. Remember, each altcoin has its own purpose and characteristics. With so many altcoins out there, how do you choose which ones to explore? Well, it's like picking fruits at a market. You research their technology, the team behind them, and their goals. Look for altcoins that solve real-world problems and have an active community. However, always remember that the crypto market can be risky, so do your homework before investing. Now, a word of caution. Altcoins can be exciting, but they also come with risks. Their value can be more volatile than Bitcoin, and not all altcoins will succeed in the long run. It's essential to diversify your investments and only invest what you can afford to lose. As the crypto world evolves, new altcoins keep popping up. Stay informed by following reputable crypto news sources, joining online communities, and engaging in discussions. Learning about different altcoins can help you make more informed decisions. And there you have it, crypto beginners. Altcoins are the colorful characters in the world of cryptocurrencies, offering a variety of features and options beyond Bitcoin. Remember, researching and staying cautious are key when exploring altcoins. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly explanations about the exciting world of crypto. Until next time, happy altcoin exploring.